a cloud-based system is the way to go.
With Braveheart, we have teams in 2 different locations, one in East Coast and one in Utah. So it makes it a whole lot easier because it's cloud-based.
The ability for us to be able to log in anywhere, whether it be in Nashua, New Hampshire, or here in Salt Lake City, and see the same kind of information. It allows us to collaborate with our colleagues in the engineering group back in New Hampshire, and we can do collaborations, we can do approvals.
Epibone is a small company, and we don't have our in-house IT department. So MasterControl having introduced me to the cloud-based system, all I needed to do is to ensure that the cloud was secure. And MasterControl has provided me with that assurance.
The transition to the cloud was seamless. I think we did it in 3 weeks. We just moved over like flicking a switch. I no longer have to tell users, oh, the system's going down for a day because we have to do a patch. We automatically get the patch every Wednesday night. And I can now get more excited about features coming with the next release because I know we automatically get them.
So the reason we chose to go cloud is because, one, the IQ or installation qualification and the performance qualification pretty much is taken care of by MasterControl, so it's not something we need to worry about.
Once everything is on the cloud, grabbing it back from there, it's actually really simple and easy. So when we put together the documentations, we have to compile all the studies, all the data from many different researchers. And instead of having to go through all the folders on computers, we can just go into this MasterControl system and grab reports and put it together into one single document for FDA submission.
The biggest benefit of being on the cloud is we have the latest, greatest updates to the entire system. We get regular quarterly updates to the things that they're working on that we've identified that says, you know, I would like this enhancement, or this is really not functioning the way that it really was intended. It needs to be fixed. If you're not in the cloud, you won't see those for a year.